We all check the profile picture of someone's account for many reasons, and there are many situations that we wish to see someone's profile picture on a larger scale. For example, we want to follow someone that we know, but we don't know their username, so we want to make sure from their profile picture. With InstaFollowers' brand new Instagram profile photo viewer and downloader, you can check people's profile pictures in larger dimensions. It is so easy to use that you can quickly learn to enlarge a user's profile picture to its full size. If you want to learn how to use the tool, you should open InstaFollowers and browse through our free tools to find and launch Instagram profile photo viewer and downloader. Open Instagram and find the profile you want to zoom in for their picture. Return to our free tool and type in their username to designated field and below. Tap on Check to instantly see the person's profile picture in the desired resolution. Additionally, you can browse their followers and the following numbers, also their biography if they have one.